Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install the latest version of Python, that is Python 3.13.2 in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 system, and let's create our first Python program after the installation. So let's get started. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Hover over downloads and click on Python 3.13.2 and your installation wizard will be downloaded. Once the download is complete, just click on open file and your installation wizard will open. Now here, make sure you click this because we will want to use Python from command line, and if you don't use this, you will have to manually add this to path later. So make sure you check this one and just click on install now. Once the installation is complete, just click on close. Now let's check if you can use Python from command prompt. Press your Windows key and type cmd and click on command prompt. Now type this command, Python --version, hit enter, and as you can see, now we have the latest version of Python installed on our system, that is Python 3.13.2. Now let's create our first Python program and see how we can run it. So go to any directory where you want to create your Python program. I'll go to documents and let's create a new file here, and let's call this Python, not Python, main.py. So any Python file has the extension .py at the end, and right click on it and click on open with Notepad or any other IDE like VS Code. So I'll just use Notepad for now. Let's write some Python code. I'll just write print hello world. Save it. Now you can close this. So our main.py file now contains hello world.py. Now to run this, we need to open command prompt and browse to this documents directory. So a shortcut in Windows is to press here on the address bar, click here and type cmd, hit enter, and command prompt will be opened inside this directory. Okay, so wherever you have your file, make sure you are inside that directory in command prompt. Now to run the file, you just enter this command, that is Python main.py, and then hit enter, and as you can see, the file has been successfully run and hello world is printed. So this is how you can install the latest version of Python, that is 3.12.2 in Windows 11, and how you can run Python files. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below.